Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to try to do something new, similar to what we had done before, where you saw my video that we were in another town looking at cars, but I gave you some tips on how to go about shopping for a car in another city that's not your own city. We're going to do a little bit of searching today on a website in a area that is not our hometown. So we're going to look here on DuckDuckGo and get started here right away. We'll put in where we're going, Fort Wayne dealers, put that into our search engine. Click on the map, bring it up, which gives us several options for dealers here. We want to go look a little bit further into this area here. Up here, search this area, and here we go. Let's look here at this. What is this? Volkswagen. All right, let's look at Volkswagen. Open that up. We're going to check in here to see if there's anything that's interesting to us. Automotive uh, nuts. What do you call us? Aficionados. We're going to go to the pre-owned and click search to search all pre-owned. What you want to do is look in here to see if they have anything that you like. We're interested more in the items that are, let's close out Jessica here, and we want to look for the items that appeal to us that are more like we want to look for things that are more like a needle in a haystack for us car nuts that love certain cars. We want to look for that kind of a, what do you call it? A unicorn or what have you. So let's look back in here, do a search. We're going to search sort by price, low to high, because we want to look for a deal. We're looking for something that's going to uh, be that rough, what, diamond in the rough. So we've got a lot of great things here to start out with. Unfortunately, there's no way to sort this by, oh wait, transmission right over here. I'm going to sort by transmission. Manual. We like manuals around here. So this will give us a good chance of finding something that is geared toward our sporting nature. And we have some good candidates here. We've got a 6-speed GTI, 97,000 miles on it. We've got a GLI Jetta. That's interesting. 69,000 miles on it, 2019 model. What else do we got? Let's see. Jetta R line. Kind of getting more and more pricey here. GTI Stage 1. Interesting. Let's go back up here and look at the GTI Wolfsburg. And we do see that it has indeed a manual. Front wheel drive. Has 97,000 on it. This one here looks like a good option for somebody that wants a sporty item that also gets good gas mileage, which a lot of you all would like. So let's go ahead and we're going to print this out if possible. and go in to the dealer and try to make a deal. It looks like we've got some, let's see, color print on both sides, so we save some paper. Get that going. All right, uh, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this car. Let's look at the pictures while we're here talking about it. We've got a car that we're interested in. We're going to go check in at this dealer while we're in town over in Fort Wayne. We're going to, you know, go there, check this out, talk to the salesperson. Of course, we're not going to go directly to this car, as we said before, but we're going to try to go in and make a deal. And then basically what we're going to do is look it over, take it for a test drive, kick the tires, check it out, and then we're going to offer them. They want 14,000 asking price for it. I am going to offer them. What do you think I should offer them? Maybe you can tell me. Maybe in the comments below you can actually put how much you think we should offer them for this. It is here's the stats on it if you need those to kind of get a sense of what you would think you would want to offer for a GTI that's got 97,000 on it, manual, um, hatchback, 5-seater. It's got 4 doors, so it's kind of family friendly yet very sport oriented. So we'll give you a little bit more time to look around here before you put down in the comments how much you would offer for this. Are you the type of person that would like to lowball them? Are you the type of person that would like to give them more than what they offer, more than what they're asking? Doubt any of you are like that, but maybe you could put that in the comments if you feel like you're generous enough to just give them more than what they've asked. Um, but we are going to go in there and offer them $10,000 for this. That might be a little too high. I don't know. But I'm going to try that. We'll see what their reaction is. You never know. Uh, we're going in. This is going to be likely going to be on the 20th of the month, which may or may not be a good time. They usually are getting more and more ready to deal the later in the month you go. So if you go in there later than this, if you say we go in there on the 30th, it might be more willing, but we're going to test it out and see what they do. As I said in my prior videos, which you might want to go back and check out, the later in the month you go, the more willing they are to strike a really awesome deal. The earlier in the month, the less willing they are to make any kinds of deals. They have a new month, they're going to try to maximize their profits at that point, and that goes against everything you're trying to do to get the car for the lowest price, because what you want to do is go in there and offer something that hopefully for you is below what they even paid for the car. I know you don't want to really do business that way where you make somebody lose money on a car, but that's their issue. Your main goal is to get the car for the best price. And the best time to do that is the last day of the month. If it's if the last day of the month is on a Sunday and they're closed, you might want to go second to the last day of the month or what have you. Sometimes you can go 2 days before the end of the month. The reason for 2 days is you go in there on that day, you allot some time to go to that dealer to check the car out and then to make your offer. They're likely going to scoff at the offer and tell you why there's reasons why they can't. They have to feed their family, they can't do business that way, all these other reasons why, which you can totally understand and accept that. But then you can make sure on that second day before the end of the month, you can make sure you walk out the door no matter what they say. Just walk out, say, hey, here's my number, give me a call if you guys want to. I know, and you just give them, praise them, thank them for giving you all their time. Tell them you realize that they've got other customers they could be tending to and you don't want to take any more of their time. Then you wait and see if they'll call you back with your offer to accept your offer. If they don't, you can always go back the next day, the last day of the month, and then see if they're willing to offer or to strike that same deal or a close enough deal for you. So we'll see. I'm going to go in there. I'll report back to you what happens with this particular instance, and you never know. They might just be willing to let me take this off their hands for a smoking deal that not only uh, gets me into a pretty nice ride that I think my family will enjoy and that I will enjoy, but also that will give them one more unit to put on their books as a uh, stellar month for the January that they are now dealing with. Usually, in January, you're dealing with dealers that are um, likely not as busy as they were before. Usually, in this time of year, they are slow, especially after everybody is trying to pay off their Christmas uh, credit card bills and uh, hunkering down, getting into the new year. And so they hopefully are going through a slow month so that hopefully for us, they'll be able to strike us a great deal. So check back in, make sure that you like us, subscribe if you like it, but most importantly, go check out our other videos that are similar to this and others that are give you other tips on when you're doing car shopping or uh, checking out rides and automotive stories, fanciful, true, what have you. So, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you the next time back here. Bye bye.